Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to give you an update on the construction of Holborn House. Now this is the building on the left. It's an 8-story building located in New Kingston. It's actually located at the corner of Holborn Road, which is the road we're on now, and Dumfries Avenue. So here you can see it's a very nice building. It's 8 stories and it's going to be a commercial building. It's going to have 20,000 square feet of rentable space. Now, New Kingston is basically the business hub of Jamaica. It's like Jamaica's Wall Street. So this is where you find a lot of financial companies, banks, insurance companies. So basically there is a lot of demand for space in New Kingston, and the properties rent for a premium because of where it's located. So we're going to turn on to Dumfries Avenue now and give you a view of the building from another angle. Now, Now it should be finished sometime next year or early 2025. It's going to have basement parking and the first floor will be parking. Now straight ahead you can see some of the other buildings in New Kingston. So that building that we're looking at now is the R. Danny Williams building, which is the head office for Sagicor Investments. To the right is the Pan Caribbean building, and that's the head office. Well, it's just that one there. That's the Pan Caribbean building, and then to the right of that was the Pegasus. And these are among the tallest buildings in Jamaica as of today, because the buildings are getting taller and taller every year, the new ones that are coming up. Alright, so now you can see the building from another angle. We'll keep you updated on this project. We'll give you updates every 2 weeks. And if you want us to make a video, just leave a comment in the section below. We'll be happy to do it. Very nicely done. Now in New Kingston, as in most of these financial districts all over the world, parking is an issue. So they have parking lots that you can pay to use, but this building will have basement parking and parking on the first floor. And recently Jamaica had an earthquake one day this week, a very big earthquake, and none of these buildings that were under construction were damaged. There was a social media post about the tallest building in Jamaica being damaged from the earthquake, but we went, checked it out, and the building is not damaged. They were actually working on the building the day after. The construction continued basically. And the building codes in Jamaica seem to be up to par because these buildings were not damaged. This one we're looking at was not damaged either. They stood up well to the hurricane. It's not hurricane, earthquake. Jamaica also is affected by hurricanes, but these buildings will have been built to withstand those winds also. And this is an 8-story building, which is, by today's standards, a small building, because you have so many buildings that are 10 floors going up. You have buildings that are 20 floors. The tallest building in Jamaica now, the Rogers, which is a residential building, is 20 floors. And then you have the Ascent, which is going to be 27 floors. And even in New Kingston, you have a 34-floor building to be built. And the tallest building in Jamaica as of earlier this year, before the Rogers reached 20 floors, the tallest building in Jamaica was the Pegasus Hotel, which was 17 floors, which is located in New Kingston. So when the Ascent is built at 27 floors, New Kingston will regain the title of having the tallest building in Jamaica. But it used to be the Pegasus, which is in New Kingston, but it's now the Rogers, which is off Waterloo Road, wouldn't be considered New Kingston. But when the Ascent is built on Oxford Road, New Kingston will get back the title of having the tallest building in Jamaica. There you can see the building from this side. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and also leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.